Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal without a microwave. To begin, gather your ingredients, oats, and your chosen liquid. For a perfect consistency, remember the basic ratio of 1 part oats to 2 parts liquid. You can use water for a lighter taste or milk for a creamier texture. Start by bringing your liquid to a gentle boil in a saucepan. Once your liquid is boiling, add the oats and reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking to the bottom of the pan. This gentle simmering allows the oats to absorb the liquid and become wonderfully creamy. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply add a little more liquid. For a no-cook option, try overnight oats. In a jar or container, combine equal parts oats and your preferred liquid, such as milk or a milk alternative. Stir in any desired additions like fresh fruit, dried fruit, or a sprinkle of nuts. Cover the container and refrigerate it overnight. By morning, your delicious and healthy breakfast will be perfectly softened and ready to enjoy. Now for the fun part, customizing your oatmeal. Enhance the flavor with a drizzle of honey, maple syrup, or a spoonful of brown sugar. For added texture and nutrients, stir in fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a handful of chopped nuts. A dash of warming spices like cinnamon or nutmeg can also elevate your oatmeal to a truly comforting and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.